Hello everyone, welcome to Asan Farhad in today's video. Today I'm going to teach you how to greet people in English. If you are meeting someone for the first time or just catching up with a friend, knowing the right greeting is very important. So let's get start the video. Let's talk about the most common greeting that you can use in any time, any situation. These are simple and friendly. So number one greeting is hello. You can use hello with anyone, anytime. It's universal. So don't worry about the time of day when you use it. Number two, hi. For more casual vibe, you can say hi. It's perfect for your friends, family, or even your classmates. Now, if you want to sound a bit more polite, you can greet people based on the time of day. Here's how. So number three greeting is good morning. You can say good morning until around noon. It's a polite way to start your day. So number four greeting is good afternoon. It's polite and makes you sound professional. Number six greeting is good evening. When it's evening, you can say good evening. For the perfect moment, when you meeting someone after the 5 p.m., you can say good evening. So number six greeting is hey. This is one of the most relaxed greeting. You can say hey to your friends or even your family. And number seven greeting is what's up. This is one of the most popular greeting, and when you feel extra chill, ask what's up. It's like saying how are you, but make sure you will use it to your close friends. If you are in a more formal situation like job interview or meeting someone important, here's what you can say. So number eight greeting is good to see you. When you meet someone, you know him, you can say good to see you. It's a polite and friendly. So number nine greeting is how do you do? A very formal situation, you can say how do you do? When you see someone for the first time, you can use this greeting. But remember one thing, that it's old fashioned, so be careful when you use it. So these are most common greetings that people are used their everyday lives. So if you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for more updates or new videos. Thanks for watching my videos. I will see in the next video. Thank you.